How to share passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved Wi-Fi networks on iPhone. Tap on any network from here. Here, press and hold the password and tap on Copy Password. And then, you can share the password with others. You can also tap on Show Network QR code below. You can now scan the QR code to join this network. Then, tap on Done. Here, you can also tap on the share icon at the top right corner. And then, select the platform or the friend you want to share the password with. For example, Messages. Type in the name of the person you want to share with. After that, tap on the arrow button to send it. Following these steps, you can easily share passwords on iPhone.